I spent the whole day doing wholesale. So I tried to go through wholesale list of a few suppliers with which I have an account. I went through the list. I spent the whole day trying to figure that out. I spent a little time yesterday too, but let's not count that. Today I spent the whole day, did not find any leads, and I wanted to share that with you guys because a lot of you guys are feeling the same way right now when doing online arbitrage. You're just starting, you cannot find any leads, it's hard because you just don't know how to do it, right? So I'm pretty much at the same place right now, but with wholesale. I did a little bit of wholesale in the past with some product, with some actually websites that are right in between wholesale and online. And you know, it's kind of like it's gray area, you know, some websites that are like wholesaler but not really, right? So I know that a lot of you guys are actually in that same situation with online arbitrage, and it feels like shit. If I'm honest, it feels like shit. You spend the whole day doing this stuff and you don't find anything, right? You're left like you're still at the same point. It really does not feel good, but this is how you learn. And yeah, I wanted to make this video so I can share that with you guys and I can document my journey trying to figure out wholesale. So this will be video 0, video 1. Let's call it video 0, it sounds cooler. This is gonna be video 0. I suck at wholesale. I really suck. I was not able to find any product, but I kind of have an idea of things that I can improve. And in my previous videos, I told you guys that if you are doing online arbitrage, like try to journal. If you are doing it every day, and it's best to do it every day, try to journal and pretty much write down what you figured out today on online arbitrage, what you think you can improve tomorrow, what worked, what did not work. And this is what I'm going to do with this series of videos. So I pretty much have three things that made it, like 3 reasons why I failed, 3 reasons why I suck, 3 reasons why my process is not good. And here's the first one. I have bad suppliers. My suppliers are super easy to find, right? I'm gonna share some of them with you guys in the next step, but it's pretty much the same thing as I shared actually in my video on online arbitrage yesterday, right? So the more popular, the more easy it is to find a supplier, the more popular they are within people doing wholesale, the hardest it's going to be to find a great product with them, because all the great products are going to get out of stock super fast. You do not have a relationship with them, so the sales rep are going to give the products to the people who they know, and just like it's like the barrier of entry is just too low, right? So this is the first reason, and this is the thing I will need to work to improve. I need to find better suppliers with potentially higher minimum order quantity that are harder to find. I need to look into it, and because this will help me just improve my business, find better suppliers, right? The second reason is that, and it ties back to the first one, to the one that I just shared with you. I just have 3 accounts open, right? I can say I have 4 or 5, but the two other ones are not real wholesaler, like are not American wholesaler. One of them is for all that is like Korean beauty products. You know, I've not been really selling a lot of them lately, but I found a supplier and stuff, and I do not count that as a wholesale account, because it works more like if you were to purchase stuff from just Walmart or stuff. You know, it's a website. It does not feel like wholesale, right? But yeah, I only have 3 suppliers, right? One of them being my OTC, whatever, I forgot what it's called, right? And it's a number game, so I would need to be able to go through a whole lot more wholesaler than just 3, right? I need to be able to scan the catalog of a lot more wholesaler, because I will be able to find more products. I can be more selective. This was the second reason, the second thing that I need to update, that I need to change in my strategy. The third one is going to be that I'm using tactical arbitrage to scan wholesale catalog. And I believe tactical arbitrage is not that good at doing this. Why? because as I said, I have had my account opened with my OTC whatever. I forgot the exact name of but you pretty much know this website if you do online arbitrage. Whenever like you find an OTC product, so like most of the time they're going to be in the results, right? So some products that I found doing online arbitrage on the main site, like how to explain that? Sometimes, I find some products on my OTC, some good leads for online arbitrage, and I check them on, because they send me the wholesale list every week or every whatever, right? And every single time I find a product on the website, I check the product on the wholesale list to see if it's actually there, right? So I found a couple of products that way, but most of them are not really that expensive, and I want to reach the minimum order requirements, right? So I was able to find a few products that way, but I find a few products like that every single week. But the thing is is that I run actually the whole catalog on tactical arbitrage, and all those products that I found were not showing up on tactical arbitrage, which it's why I believe that tactical arbitrage is probably not doing a great job at scanning those wholesale lists, or there's something that I do not understand. So I think I don't have the right tools, because some of the products that I found doing what I told you were really good, right? And yeah, not one product that I found in the past doing this on the wholesale list, like doing it manually, was showing up on tactical arbitrage. So yeah, there's probably maybe tactical arbitrage is not the best tool for wholesale, because yes, there's a whole wholesale part on tactical arbitrage, and maybe I need to look at another tool for wholesale to scan wholesale lists. So this is the things I'm going to work on. This was episode 0. I'll see you for episode 1 next time when I figure out some stuff. Now, these episodes are not going to be like every day, every week, because I'm not really in a rush to figure out wholesale, and I think I should be, honestly. I think I should be, because this is not how you figure out stuff. When I figured out online arbitrage, I really gave it all. I moved all my business from retail arbitrage to online arbitrage. I really decided it was a clear cut, right? And I believe that is going to penalize me to not actually make a whole transition, because I do not want to make a whole transition anyway. I'm just trying to slowly figure out wholesale. But when I was doing the same thing with online arbitrage, I was just trying to slowly figure it out while I was doing retail arbitrage, because I was telling myself that in the next couple of months, maybe I'm going to try to move my business to online arbitrage. No, I do not see myself doing wholesale exclusively. Maybe I'm saying that, but maybe I'm gonna do it. I don't know. But yeah, it does not feel good because I suck. This is the reason. But I'm pretty sure that if I actually not suck, maybe I will have more fun doing wholesale. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure that out. I'll keep you guys updated. I don't know when the next update is gonna come, but it's gonna come one day. And yeah, this is where I'm at with my wholesale journey, and this is a testament of, I believe that in the short term I will start being more successful with wholesale, and that way you guys can actually see this video. This is the first video. I really suck. I spent the whole day. I did not find a single lead. I did not place a single order, and now it's 8 p.m. and now I need to start doing online arbitrage. So I'm going to work for a few more hours, or I'm just going to place orders. I do not really need to find leads, but yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video, and I'll see you on the next episode of this series when I start figuring things out and I suck a little bit less. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow. Join the Discord, by the way, free Discord if you want to hang out, if you want to ask any question about online arbitrage, about Amazon in general. Maybe some people can answer questions about wholesale in there. If you're seeing this video far away in the future, maybe I can finally answer your question. Hopefully I can finally answer your questions regarding wholesale. Yeah, because I suck. Yeah, that's it for today.